I'm Emma.
And I'm Ellie. And this is Take 5 Working for You.
What are you doing?
I'm being a dinosaur.
What would you do if you were a dinosaur? I would fly and I would eat people. Not people, because they weren't alive, but things that they ate.
I'd sleep all day.
I'd sleep all day.
I would eat you.
Instead of dabbing on the haters, I'd stomp on the haters.
I would be in the sequel of Jurassic World. Raw!
Show me what you would do if you were a dinosaur.
Rawr.
I'd stomp on you.
Asterisk roar, asterisk XD.
How do you make gummy worms dance?
I don't know. Let's go ask Kanan and Shelby.
Did you know that the cheerleaders got a #1 ranking at their competition?
What's that?
Just watch.
Paper challenge. It's the paper challenge.
The rules are you have to balance on one foot and you have to go down and pick up the paper with your mouth.
How do you say cat backwards?
Right? Can you say volleyball? Oof. Huskies. We love. Yes, we need. Six.
Everybody, I agree. No.
Dus graven is al. Bye.
Yes, sir. Mistades. Representative. The animal game. Snimbles we found.
Não, mas o show do céu. Tango behind the surf how off no mas isso. We are no what we find so is no him. Snimba Louis Vic fell no.
That's 5 things in less than 5 minutes.
Take 5.